Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to make money with ChatGPT, a powerful new AI language model. ChatGPT can be used for a variety of tasks, including writing, translation, and code generation. But did you know that you can also use ChatGPT to make money? In this video, I'm going to show you 10 ways to make money with ChatGPT. These are all legitimate ways to make money, but it's important to note that there is no guarantee of success. It takes time and effort to build a successful online business. 10 ways to make money with ChatGPT. Content creation. ChatGPT can be used to create all sorts of content, including blog posts, articles, social media posts, and even ebooks. You can then sell this content to clients or publish it on your own website and monetize it with advertising or affiliate marketing. Translation services. ChatGPT can be used to translate text from one language to another. This can be a valuable service for businesses and individuals who need to translate documents, websites, or other content. You can offer translation services as a freelancer or start your own translation agency. Copywriting. ChatGPT can be used to write persuasive copy for marketing materials, such as landing pages, sales letters, and email campaigns. You can offer copywriting services as a freelancer or work for a marketing agency. Chatbot Development. ChatGPT can be used to develop chatbots for businesses and websites. Chatbots can be used to provide customer service, answer questions, and generate leads. You can offer chatbot development services as a freelancer or start your own chatbot development company. Virtual assistant. ChatGPT can be used to work as a virtual assistant for businesses and individuals. A virtual assistant can perform a variety of tasks, such as scheduling appointments, managing email, and conducting research. You can offer virtual assistant services as a freelancer or start your own virtual assistant company. Online tutoring. ChatGPT can be used to tutor students online. You can offer tutoring services in a variety of subjects, such as math, science, and English. You can find online tutoring jobs through websites like Upwork and freelancer.com. App development. ChatGPT can be used to develop mobile and web apps. You can then sell these apps on app stores or offer them as a subscription service. Content analysis. ChatGPT can be used to analyze content for sentiment, keywords, and other factors. This information can be used by businesses to improve their marketing campaigns and website content. You can offer content analysis services as a freelancer or start your own content analysis company. Data analysis. ChatGPT can be used to analyze data for businesses and organizations. This information can be used to make better decisions about products, services, and marketing campaigns. You can offer data analysis services as a freelancer or start your own data analysis company. AI consulting. ChatGPT can be used to provide consulting services to businesses and organizations on how to use AI to improve their operations. You can offer AI consulting services as a freelancer or start your own AI consulting firm. Conclusion. These are just a few of the ways that you can make money with ChatGPT. With its powerful capabilities, ChatGPT can be used to create a variety of products and services that you can sell to businesses and individuals. If you're interested in making money with ChatGPT, I encourage you to do some research and find a way to use it to create something that people are willing to pay for. With hard work and dedication, you can build a successful online business using ChatGPT. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every week about how to make money online.